The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario has big shoes to fill. The car it replaces, the universally loved and praised Huracan, is the best-selling two-door Lamborghini of all time, with more than 29,000 units sold in just more than 10 years. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario Supercar will pack a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 plug-in hybrid powertrain that revs to 10,000 RPM and outputs no less than 588 kilowatts per 730 Newton meters, the Italian performance car brand has confirmed. However, it's unclear at this stage if they are the total system outputs of the all-new Huracan successor, known officially for now as the Lamborghini 634, or whether they're the outputs of its downsized V8 engine alone, which is claimed to be an all-new design specific to this application. This is of particular note because Lamborghini already has a plug-in hybrid V8 powertrain in its ranks, specifically under the bonnet of the recently released Urus SE, which outputs 456 kilowatts per 800 Newton meters from its Audi-sourced twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 and a mighty total of 588 kilowatts per 950 Newton meters when the 141 kilowatts per 483 Newton meters electric motor is factored in. The interior of the Temerario is very similar to the Revuelto, from the screens to the steering wheel to the driving position. You can jump out of one and enter the other without noticing a massive change. The steering wheel is nice to hold and doesn't feel oversized, and it also allows for clear viewing of the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster behind it. As in the Revuelto, the wheel itself is a nerd's wet dream. With 16 buttons, 4 rotating knobs and 2 paddle shifters attached, it can feel a little overwhelming when you first jump in. But once you get acclimatized, all of those easily accessible features makes driving the Temerario an enjoyable experience. U.S. deliveries start early in 2026, with pricing starting at an estimated $390,000. That's more than $200,000 less than the Revuelto and about $130,000 more than the last Huracan.